Now I'm in Guangzhou railway station now. It's very hot and today is a sunny day. Now let me show you the one busiest railway station in China, the Guangzhou railway station. Let me show you. And this is the situation of now. This moment, you see all of these people. Most of those people is go back hometown for the Spring Festival. Spring Festival, yes, that's the most important festival in China. It's a old traditional festival. You see, those people, dozens, hundreds, and thousands of people. I think now, this moment in this railway station, there will be more than 15,000 people here in this floor. You can see it. You can see it very clearly. This is the reason why the Guangzhou railway station is the most busy railway station in China. And you can see that line. You can see that line. There is very much more women waiting for the toilet. And I just out of the toilet, the restrooms, and in the main restrooms, in the main toilet, you also have dozens of people is waiting for pee. You know, too much people waiting for pee. Oh man, it's really busy in this railway station. There's too cloudy here. It's too much people. It's really too much people. But it's not the moment. It's not the hour which the most busiest moment is not now. I think 1 or 2 hours later it will be more busy. It's more cloudy because you see that door. There's too much people waiting for get in the station, get in the area, waiting area. Too much people. And yes, that's why we have the higher speed development. This is the reason because we have those great people. Everyone wants to be rich. Everyone wants to have a better life. Everyone wants to have a better future. All the people do the work hard, study hard, just for have the nice future, the nice work, and let the family be more better. Let the family have more, have a better life, have a nice life. Yes, has a happy life. Everyone have those dreams in their heart. That's the Chinese people. We have the dream to make life better, to make the family life better. And this is also the reason why everyone wants to go home when the Spring Festival closing, because this is the traditional culture. It have been more than 2,000 years. This is traditional culture. This Spring Festival, just like the Christmas Day in Western, everyone will get home, stay with the family, get have the festival, celebrate the festival. Yes, this is the most important festival, and everyone have the relaxing feeling of the relaxed lifetime, just for the have a happy time with family.